Hi, just thought I'd do a review of a Longjia LJ50QT-3L, which I bought recently from Learner Legal. Cost was $4.99. I got a Saturday delivery that cost me about another £110. I'll give you a little bit more information about Learner Legal, the website, shortly, but let's have a look at the bike. I've got my young assistant Daisy on camera, who's 7 years old, so just bear with us. So we come in and have a look at the bike.
Where should we go first?
Look at the dashboard. You've got the mileometer, which I believe reads in kilometres. Internal readings miles per hour, outside readings are kilometres. Full tank of fuel, even though it's reading empty, it's just because there's no ignition on. Costs about £6.5 at the minute to fill up. The controls on the dashboard, we can get those, Daisy?
Yeah.
Side light, or lower light, main beam. The lower light is on even when the main light is on. Electronic ignition, and on the other side, come back a bit, you've got the main beam indicators and the horn. Got the ignition down here, which has also got the steering lock on it. Basically you push the key in and turn it, and turn the handlebars to the left to bring on the steering lock. You've got some storage space down there. You don't have to get quite so close, darling. Go back. Storage space down here. Hook. Under seat storage. This is the cover for the seat, which came when I got the bike.
There's a big hole in it.
Yeah.
I'm good for it.
Just move back. You're too close to be filming anything. You've got the rack for the rear top box. Now the bike came with that on, but I bought this top box separately from a website called petrolscooter.co.uk, which do a lot of good spares. I think it was about 25 quid. Came with fixing brackets and everything, just bolts straight on. It's a pretty common bike. It's just used widely by a lot of different manufacturers. This is a Longjia. I had another bike before this, which was a Boation, or Boation I think they're called. Exactly the same bike. Uses a GY6 engine, or a 139 QMB I think it's also known as. Petrolscooter.co.uk is a good place for spares. Pretty cheap, really good service. You can order it, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've had parts the following morning, delivered, and they are cheap as chips. A little bit more about the bike. It's a disc on the front, drum on the back. Like I say, you've got electronic ignition, but you've also got the manual kickstart. 10-inch wheels, front and rear. This was delivered 2 weeks ago.
Very good looking bike.
It turned up. I got a phone call. I mean, it's all exactly as it says on the Learner Legal website. The delivery driver rang me up when he was about half an hour away. Turned up on the back of a wagon. Very well packaged. It was on a crate, which was, it was on a box, in a box, sorry, which was on a crate, all packaged up really well. And you do literally just have to screw on the wing mirrors. It's as simple as that. Like I say, really well packaged. The seat was covered. The bodywork was spotless. It's a good bike for $4.99, which is what it cost me. It's a good bike. I was a little bit apprehensive about having to register it with the DVLA. I didn't know how much of a headache that was going to be, but it was really straightforward. I went into Manchester DVLA. Daisy, nobody's going to be able to see anything when you're like 5 inches from the bike. Went into Manchester DVLA with all the forms. I just took in my paper licence and my photo card driving licence, all the paperwork that you get from Learner Legal and a copy of your insurance documents, and they sorted it all out. Did that on Monday, and I got everything through on the Thursday. So I've just basically been to Halfords yesterday and had a number plate made up. So it is with it, you do get your documents back within 48 hours, just as Learner Legal says on the website. Just a little bit about them. They've been fantastic. Post sale, I just emailed them with a couple of questions. Got back to me, very helpful. Nice website, make you feel comfortable dealing with them. What else can we say about them really? They sent me all the details through, confirmed that the payment had gone through and everything. I emailed them just to make sure that it was still down for a Saturday delivery, because it was a couple of weeks back, like I say, when we had all the snowy weather, and they said yeah, the bike's good to go. I think it left their warehouse on the Wednesday. It was with my local courier on the Thursday, and as promised it was delivered Saturday morning. I think it was about 8:30 actually on the Saturday morning it turned up. It has taken me 2 weeks to get it on the road, but that's basically just because I've not had the time to do it. But all in, I mean, if from the Saturday of delivery, if I'd done everything, I could have had it on the road probably on the Tuesday or the Wednesday of that week, so within 3 or 4 days. It's just been out on its first test drive today. Took it for about a 5-mile ride. The bike is sound, it's nice and solid. The engine feels nice and solid. I think I got about 35 mile an hour out of it, something like that, and it just feels nice. It's a nice solid bike.
You put anything in there?
Yeah, good little bit of storage in there. I've just got this is the free lock that I got with the bike from Learner Legal, which they promise you, so that's good. Nice good solid lock. What else can I tell you? That's about it really. It's a good decent little bike, good website.
I see you later at the end.
I'll say see you later at the end. And yeah, that's about it really. Hope it's been of some help to you. I've searched the web high and low for some independent reviews on the Learner Legal bikes, and I couldn't really find any. There's a few reviews on their website, one of which I've put on for this bike, and talking about the previous bike that I'd had. But it's always nice to have a bit of an independent review, I think, other than the ones just straight off the website, because you never really know who's writing those. So there we go, the Longjia LJ50 QT-3L, a bargain at $499. Bye.